ready to learn on how to cook some dishes and bake desserts? If you're ready, then let's start! Cake recipe. Chocolate cake ingredients: 2 cups of white sugar, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. Tools and equipments used in baking cake. Measuring spoons and scales. Measurement is crucial in baking as it's all a play of food science. Recipes across the internet use everything from the imperial system of measuring cups and spoons as well as the metric system of measuring scales. So it's handy having both of them at reach so that you can use the one which is necessary whenever you want to bake a cake. Measuring spoons and scales can be made of steel or plastic. Mixer. Whenever we are baking a cake or some sweets, we really need to mix a lot. There are 2 types of mixer, a mixer and a whisk. A mixer can be made of steel and plastic. A whisk is made of steel. Cake pan. The shape of the cake depends on the pan you will use, from aluminum to non-stick. Any pans are fine as long as you are aware of the size and the shape. Cake pan are made of aluminum. Spatula. There are 2 types of spatulas. They are important to baking: rubber or silicone spatula and an offset spatula. A rubber spatula helps you scrape off those wet ingredients which otherwise are hard to handle. They also help you fold in wet and dry ingredients where overmixing can turn out to be detrimental. Oven. We need to use an oven to bake the cake or some sweets. When you're done mixing the ingredients for the cake, you'll need to bake it. Ovens are made of metal. Always remember to wear a pot holder to avoid burning your hand. Kitchen knives. A serrated knife is used for cutting any type of cake. Paring knives are useful for their sharpness in order to make any clean cuts. Whether it's the first slice or cutting small fruits to put it atop of the cake. Bowl. A bowl is a place where we will mix the ingredients that we need to use. A bowl can be made of glass, stainless steel, or plastic.
Proper care of kitchen tools and equipment. 1. Clean all the tools after using. 2. Keep the tools away from kids, especially sharp tools, to prevent danger. 3. Inspect them regularly. 4. When cooking with gas, maintain low enough flames to avoid burning the sides of your pots and pans. 5. Any wooden kitchen implement that we purchase need to be oiled regularly to prevent cracking. 6. Inspect for any gas leaks. 7. Clean your refrigerator after a week or month to prevent the bad smell and being full with so much ice. 8. Whenever your kitchen equipment is broken, immediately contact someone who knows how to fix it.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to always smile and have a nice day ahead.